Hi, today I'm going to show you what are different kind of feeds in Needl.ai. Broadly, the feeds are divided into three categories that are My Feeds, Needle Feeds and Group Feeds. My Feeds are all the feeds that you create in your Needl.ai account. You can include any information from any sources in these feeds and curate them as you would like. All of these feeds that you create will be shown under My Feeds. If any of these feeds you choose to share with other teammates or peers, there will be a share icon which will appear in front of the feeds. This is about My Feeds. Next, you will have Needle Feeds. Needle Feeds are all the pre-published feeds that we provide in your Needle.ai account. These feeds give you a flavor of what kind of information you can consume through a feed. There are multiple Needle feeds like Needle blogs, Needle podcasts, Needle YouTube, Warren Buffett, etc. You can check out these feeds to see more about what kind of results a feed can entail. Next is group feeds. Group feeds are any feeds that have been shared with you from someone else. Here you can see all the feeds that have been shared with you through multiple people and multiple accounts. When you open any of the feeds in the group feed section, you will see a shared icon here. When you click on this, it will show you a list of all the people that have access to this feed along with the owner. You can further add comments, consume this information, or share it further with your peers. I hope this gives you an understanding of different feeds in Needle.ai. If you have any questions or if you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.